In a frost-kissed valley at first light, a lone photographer frames sunrise as breath turns to gold. Slow-motion clouds drift over distant peaks, each curl a brushstroke while the observer follows their patient dance. The sea unrolls in velvet tones, waves pause then surge, and every ripple reveals a hidden cathedral of light. Night returns to a sapphire canopy, stars glint softly as the traveler moves, merging with silence and awe. Snow lays a quiet tapestry, where minimal details bloom a thousandfold, crystal halos framing windless countryside tonight.